Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Huracan versus McLaren. Let's dive into their incredible performance metrics right away. The Lamborghini Huracan typically features a naturally aspirated V10 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower for a thrilling, raw experience. In contrast, many McLaren models, such as the 720s, utilize a twin-turbo V8, often exceeding 700 horsepower. Both vehicles are astonishingly quick, capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. When it comes to the driving experience, the Lamborghini Huracan is known for its raw, theatrical feel and an exhilarating V10 engine note that truly ignites the senses. McLaren, on the other hand, often provides a more clinical and precise driving experience, with exceptional feedback and a surprisingly comfortable ride for a supercar. Both machines offer incredible handling and agility, making them formidable on any challenging road or track. Visually, the Lamborghini Huracan showcases an aggressive, angular design that screams Italian exoticism, with a cockpit that feels very driver-centric. McLaren models, like the 720s, often feature a more fluid, teardrop-inspired aerodynamic design, emphasizing excellent visibility and ergonomic efficiency. Inside, both brands utilize premium materials such as fine leather and carbon fiber, integrating advanced touchscreens and digital displays for a modern, luxurious cabin experience. Considering value, the Lamborghini Huracan generally starts in the range of $210,000 to $250,000, offering a compelling package of performance and drama. Many McLaren supercars, such as the 720s, typically begin around $300,000 to $310,000, reflecting their advanced engineering. Ultimately, the better car depends on your preference: the Huracan for raw, emotional excitement, or the McLaren for refined, cutting-edge performance and usability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.